Horizontal axis of a graph is called a supplementary axis cover, 0 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, no change in trigonometrical function. And vertical axis is called as complementary axis, will cover 90 degrees, 270 degrees. Here trigonometrical function will convert into it as complementary, for example, sine into cos, tan into cot, and sec into cosec. Knowing these points, we can find values in seconds. मान लो हमें tan 210 degrees की वैल्यू ज्ञात करनी है। tan 210 degrees को हम लिख सकते हैं tan 180 plus 30 degrees. As we know, horizontal axis of a graph is called a supplementary axis covering 0 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, no change in trigonometrical function. Hence, 180 carat का मतलब supplementary axis, मतलब tan ही रहेगा। 210 degrees third quadrant में है, जहां tan पॉजिटिव होगा, इसलिए tan 210 degree equals tan 180 plus 30 equals plus tan 30 carat equals 1 upon square root 3. Now if we know the concept, we can easily apply dot. For example, sine 750 degrees sine 360 times 2 plus 3o equals sine 30 equals 1 upon 2, taking another tan 1140 degrees, dividing 1140 by 360, we get tan 1140 degrees equals tan 360 times 3 plus 6o equals tan 60 degrees equals square root 3. One more equation, cosec minus 675 degrees, as sine minus theta equals minus sine theta, hence cosec minus 675 degrees equals minus cosec 675 degrees equals minus cosec 360 times 2 minus 45 degrees equals minus cosec 45 degrees equals cosec 45 degrees equals square root 2. At last, now find sine 225 degrees in two ways, either equals sine 180 plus 45 degrees equals sin 45 degrees equals 1 square root 2, or sine 225 degrees equals sine 270 to 45 degrees equals cos 45 equals 1 square root 2.